let's check our fourth exercise. In this exercise, we are asked to draw the horizontal projectile line that includes A and B points. And here we see that we can symbolize the position of the points like this. The first number indicates the level, the second one is interval, and the last one is the distance. It is same for point A and B here. And it says that this line is a horizontal projecting line. So let's remember it first. And again, we can just create our base here on another piece of A4 graph paper with 10 times 10 grid for three squares. And we remember that it's the horizontal projecting line is this one. So it will be this line that includes point A and B will be perpendicular to vertical projection plane and parallel to the other horizontal and profile projection planes. And when we locate the points A and B, and after we need to combine these two, we see that this line segment belongs to this line and it will intersect with vertical horizontal plane at this point. This is called the trace of a line. The trace of a line. Doğrunun izi. It is symbolized with lowercase v. Because it is the intersection of this line with vertical projection plane. We just symbolize the traces with the same letter, but this time we don't use the capital letter. We use the lowercase ones. And it is symbolized by lowercase v here. And when we look the system from the above, we realize that this point A is being indicated by A prime here. The point B is indicated by B prime here. And this is what we are going to do. By using these lengths, we are going to draw the this part of our drawing. We are going to do this part of our drawing first. And then once we locate the positions of A prime and B prime, we are going to combine this with an actual line and we can see the first projection of our line here. And we can easily say that AB is equal to A prime B prime here because it is parallel. And when I look to the system from above, as you remember, I cannot realize that this vertical projection plane is an actual plane because of the position. I am just seeing it's this upper edge here, and I see it as a line. And accordingly, I cannot be able to see the actual V here, the trace of line here. But I see its projection, V prime with a lowercase. This is what I am supposed to draw. First of all, I am just concentrating on this horizontal projection plane here, right in front of me. Try not to see the rest. For now, I I'm looking to the vertical projection plane and I am seeing it as a line. Similarly, I am looking at the profile projection plane and I am seeing it as another line. So the first thing that I need to do is try to locate the positions of A prime and B prime by using these numbers. First, I need two lengths. The first one is the interval. It is 2 squares for point A and 7 squares for point B. So it is somewhere here, along somewhere here. I just need to count 2 squares for point A. My point is somewhere here. And 7 squares for point B. My point B is somewhere here. In order to locate the exact positions, I just need to use, since I use these intervals here, I just need to use the distance. And it is the same for both points. I just need to count 7 squares starting from this line here, because it represents the profile projection plane, and this distance here is the perpendicular length of the points to the projection plane. So this is what I am supposed to do. Just count 7 squares starting from this projection plane to the left direction. And I will see that my points are located here. The first one is here, the second one is here. And I just need to name them by using the lettering guides we did in our previous exercises. And once I finished this first step, I need to change my position and look at the system from in front of the system. I need to be in front of the system and look at from this direction. And when I try to see the line segment here, I cannot, because since I am standing here right in front of the system, I cannot see the line here. I see it as a point, as it is being projected on the vertical projection plane. So here, everything is on this point. A is being projecting as A double prime. B is being projected as B double prime, and I see the trace itself, the lowercase v there. So this is what I need to do. I am concentrating on this part of my drawing, try not to see the rest, and I am seeing the horizontal projection plane as a line. Again, I am seeing the profile projection plane as another line, and I need 2 lengths. This time, I will use the distance here. It is 7 for both of them, but I don't need to calculate. I don't need to measure one more time, because it is right here on the drawing. I just need to carry this direction up here. This is what I need to do. And in order to, my points are somewhere here on this direction. In order to locate the exact same position, I just need this length. It is the level. It is 4 squares for both of the points. I just need to carry this information, this length up here. I need to count 4 squares, and here it is. I just need to mark my cross and write all the points, the names of the points there. In the last step, I am changing my position for the last time. I am looking at the system from left, and I see this point A is being projected on the profile projection plane as A triple prime, B as B triple prime. And again, I can say that AB, the length of AB is equal to the length of A prime, B prime, and it is equal to the A triple prime, B triple prime. And since I am standing on the left side of the system, I cannot be able to see the vertical projection plane because of its position. I see it as a line, and I cannot be able to see the trace of the line, the lowercase v. I just see it, its projection as the lowercase v triple prime on this projection plane. So this is what I need to do. I am concentrating on this part of the drawing. I try not to see the rest. And I see the horizontal and profile planes as two lines. I just need to carry the level, the 4. I don't need to count or measure it one more time. I just can carry it from here. And in order to, I know that my points are somewhere here on this line, but in order to indicate the exact location, I just need another length. It is the interval that I already used here, 2 and 7 for B. I just need to carry this length towards to the left part of the drawing using my compass here, and then I just draw 2 perpendicular lines, and here we are. I can mark the positions of the points with crosses, and I can write their names, and I know that here at this point, when I look at the system, I see the trace of this line is being projected here at this point. So I can write a minuscule V triple prime here. Also, I know that my trace is here at this point. Its projection is on itself. They are overlapping. So I can just write here. So at this point here, I have 3 points overlapping. V itself, the trace itself, its second projection, V double prime, second projection of point A double prime, second projection of point B, B double prime. And that's all. I have finished my exercise.